welcome to Coping with Missing, Invalid and Duplicate Data in R. This is Martin Berger for Pluralsight. In this intermediate level course we're looking at three very important parts of data preprocessing: the handling of duplicate data, missing value imputation, as well as outlier and invalid data detection. These processes are crucial for the initial preparation of your data. Missing values prevent a lot of our functions to work properly. Therefore, you are limited in your R toolset as long as you do not take care of all of these NAs. Duplicates, as well as outliers and invalid data, introduce bias into your analysis. In fact, if you are not aware of these, you might come to totally wrong conclusions. Now, in this course I will show you multiple methods to identify, remove and replace each of these three issues. It is my goal to give you quick and simple as well as very advanced methods to choose from. To fully benefit from this course, I recommend you already know how to handle data frames in R. You should be familiar with things like queries, data types, package management, data import and the RStudio interface. Now, I really hope you use this course to improve your data preparation skills. The concepts taught here are very versatile and can be applied on nearly any type of data.